Buhay sari-sari.
When there's too many people at Sampaguita now, you have to skip most of the footage. I wonder if I get to meet any of my classmates who are buying my clothes for school. Oh my god. Why am I first? Why am I doing this? This is just going to be a montage of me holding a camera. Montaging. Wala, nalingon ko vaccination card. Hindi na kayo po ng booster.
Hindi naman nalilihin na.
Okay. Parang nga ni pa akong bag. So we're here. This is finally the place, also known as a very cold place. Interesting. Wow. Gumanday? Mapindot pa lang ako. Anyways, welcome back to the SM Adventure.
Hindi kita. Nangaihi ka?
Yes, I have to currently pee.
Ay, di lang kita agyo.
Yes, there is an escalator right over here. Very convenient. Wait, why?
Para ni.
Oh, elevator?
Yeah.
Okay, that seems more fun. Let's go on elevator. Oh, we're going on the regular stairs. I wonder why they still put an elevator there. Practically no one is going to... Wait. Yeah, no one's going to use an elevator. And there's only 2 floors. I hope this is good content. SM so full of advertisements. It will drive me insane. Napapaihi na talaga ako, ma. Dali na. I may urinate on my shorts. Ay. Ngayon kaya. Beware of fraudulent. We're going up the escalator. There's a Marvel Phantom happening. I don't know why, but the escalator feels bumpy. Hold the camera, yeah. And this thing. I'm back from the urinals. It was very uncomfortable as there was too many men inside. Nakaihi ako yun. I peed in one of the stalls. And I did wash my hands. Fun fact, always wash your hands after you use urinals. Anyway, what's our first list item for today's episode? Bag and shoes, the classic accessories to go in before going to school. A bag and shoes. We pointed over there and we're actually going here. Makes me confused. Wait, why was I doing an accent? Mother, as I was inside the bathroom, I realized something. Why was everyone speaking English? Was there only Americans in a Filipino stall? Yes, you should. I highly suggest you to take one because it may lead to other problems other than lost eyesight. We're going to the SM store. I feel like the ground floor has a lot more discounts than the above. I remember the last time we went here, I saw a 50% off discount below. Oh, there's an escalator. Shoes is easy. I already know my size. It's 44. Someone's shoes. Wait, this is the women's section for shoes. We are at the women's section. What did you expect? You have to go down floor, I guess. I don't think there's any men's, or we're on the completely other side of the entire building or floor. It depends on the context on which side of the building are we. I think this is still the women's section. Mother, I think it's downstairs. Oh wait. I think this is unisex. What do you mean? Yes. Oh, wow, over there. I already found one. There's a 50% off discount. 50. Oh, it's 20. Does this have a size 40 for this class of shoes?
40?
44.
44. Yes.
That won't fit. Yes.
Double check it out.
Okay.
Point po kami dun.
Alright. Sige. Alright, we're going to be sitting down for a while as the...
Type mo na to?
What?
Type mo na?
Yes. I actually it feels nice that my shoes every year are the same. What do you mean? But I like those. What do you mean? They were really shiny and looked very easy to clean. Also, by the way, that's a women's thing, not men's. That's the only aisle.
Really ang price to you.
What?
Ang price.
Oh. Probably not. Probably not as it was the most basic. I saw 20% off.
Is 3699.75. Pero mag-less pa po ng 20.
So, yes.
Dapat maganda.
Nah, I don't think so. Lemon yan?
Basta pa, ay ano ka pa, mag-aan lang na.
Mag-aan
Ayun
lang.
ako, may 20%.
Yun mo lang yan. Ano yan? Halang tadain na yung may pang 20%. Pero garapan mo ba naman yan, ma?
Dahil ka na lang.
Ano nga? Sapatos magkakaya ni. School shoes is right boots. German. German. Ay, alam to daw kung mas mababa. I don't think it would go. Yeah, that's far more expensive than $399. Minus 20%. Everything feels heavier.
1,000.
Yeah, that's more far more expensive than $399. Minus 20%.
20%.
No, that's not 20%. There's no sign that says 20% off. I don't highly suggest
Kapag
it.
may tumagian.
It's school shoes. Practically the same.
Hindi, ano ba rin? Kada,
What? This is 5,000.
ay, 5,000.
5,000. Too expensive.
Mas barato pa ito.
Yeah, I pick something.
Ano lang, 1,000.
I see things that are that are only below 1,000.
Pakula na. Ano?
I don't think this is. Yeah, I think I'm sticking over to the last brand.
Don't like that.
I don't kind of like those. I like things that were like those.
Oh, 6,000.
Yeah, this is far too expensive. That's why I pick only things that have a discount. Magaba to? Pero sandal yan, ma.
So, 1,000 ano lang oh.
Okay, you know what? We're going to find another shoe because so you won't do anything. Alright, I found another brand. How expensive are you? Oh, that's far more
4,000.
expensive for the same looks as the last one. That was only $399.
Ito pero ito, 4,000 to.
No, $399. $399. $399
Okay, nabagian lang.
minus 20%.
Oh, 2,000
You're just
lang.
no, those are too expensive. I like cheap things because they're very. Mother, this was the brand I picked.
Ayun na ni.
Yes.
Uy, baga magian.
Alright, we're switching over to this one.
Ini.
Yeah, wait, this is the same thing.
Pero ini magian, ini magabat oh, magabat.
Yes, but we're getting size 44.
Tukula daw.
I don't. This won't fit. See? It won't fit. It's not size 44.
Dapat dinapik sabi mo nga ina to.
I already said size 44. He's
Pero
going
ito,
checking it.
Magabat.
No, I only explained that this what it look like. I'm finding something that is that, but it's bigger. Plus there's 20% off. It's far cheaper. It's practically the same. I like it.
Ayun na.
I think that's for women. That's for
Ang
women.
lalaki daw ni.
I can tell. Look at the design. It's too complex for being.
Ang lalaki ni.
Kaya panlalaki dapat. Iya panlalaki. Sa dito.
Sa dito. Oh, 3,200.
Gar sandal. I already like the one I picked. Panlalaki dapat
Lalaki
eh.
yan.
Okay. Ano? Gabas na yung area, lalaki.
Pati.
Agara na.
Ganun, 5,200.
Mag-ianon da. Kagabat-gabat na.
1 year na daw ni.
Dahil pa lamang yan mama 1 year. Ang bitis kasing dakula. Kaya dapat barato lang.
Oh, tapos ito, tipo amo 3,000.
Ha? Arin? Ha?
Parang wala na yung ano.
Ng 44.
Antay lang.
Sige. Pag doon ko, 399.
Garo ka.
3, ano? Adi, next na lang. Ano yan? Ano ba ganyan? Boots?
6,000. 4,000 na lang.
Mahal-mahal. Okay, pwede na. Ayan si price. Dapat mag-abot lang 1,000.
Ito pala daw.
Wow, yung surprise yung outfit.
Wala.
Wow, magabat.
Ay,
Alright, this feels much
Ano?
better.
it's better.
Okay.
Ano ang size?
But this is this is foot fit.
Ha?
It's fit for my size.
Tama.
No, it's fit as in there's no more room for socks.
Adi, ano?
It's tight.
Ay na si ano Rigi. Si Bantay Rigi. Ano pa na sabihin na si Bantay? Ganda pula lang. Anong size kaya?
Ano din? My size is 4.
What size? Anong size kaya?
My size is 44.
Ay na nga si Andig di.
Kaya, ini po. My size 44 kaya.
Ay sigurado ko. Ini. Cute kaya. Sigurado ko lang.
Alright. SM expensive. You shouldn't have gone here for shoes. Expensive. And far too expensive. Oh god. Wise.
Nabakal pa lang.
Oh god. Alright. We have to find the next one. This time we have to be first. Alright. How much are you? I don't like you. You don't have tag. You don't have tag. This don't have a tag. Tanong marayo ning tag.
Kaya at mo. Basta ka siya. Ay ni. Ay magabatong.
Sa kabaw mahalon. Ano yan?
Plastic lang. O, 229 na.
Ano yan, pwede? Pwede na. Dahil lamang kasya.
Dahil ka siya. O niya, ulang-ulaon.
Sigurang na na
Sukulon mo lang.
Ayaw, 299. Too big.
Pag mauran, iya.
Where did we last buy my last set of shoes?
At alangan lang dito siya.
Ang size ko nga, 44. Magaling ka, ano, halad.
50%.
Ayaw, 50% off. Pero parangit. Makabagan pa ng eskwela. Ano?
Okay, ano lang sa tiyo?
Okay. Can you please hold? Oh God.
Wala ko daw.
This is amazing. Ha? Okay, pwede na.
O, yun na yan.
Just needs waxing.
Kasi ang tindera dito.
Let's go pick out the last guy. Mother, this is recording.
Ay,
Oh God, what have you done?
iyak ko lang ani.
It was recording, you know. No, we have to do it recording. Oh God, what have you done?
Like, share, comment, subscribe.